Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today we have an exciting episode. It's a second series, the second video of the series of how to make money online, anywhere, anytime, and work as much as you want and earn as much as you can. So this is a lot of people make a lot of money on the side as a side hustle, or it could be a full-time living if you want to double down on it and produce a lot of content. And I want to introduce to you a exciting way to make money. It's something called low content books on Amazon. And if you look into some of these low, could be no content to low content books on Amazon. It could be journals, it could be planners, it could be a puzzle book, it could be kids activities books, and it's kind of like a printable. Um, well, it could be some people make printable into a book and then sell it on Amazon as well. But definitely, I want to show you how you can make a living by selling these type of notebook. Could be these type of paperback notebook that you see here. What they have is graph paper notebook, and this one here, they have a lot of rating. Look at this one. It has to have this many rating here. It's just they can make a lot of sales on it. Okay, so they have 100-page one subject, basically just a journal, pages of blank page. If you look inside, let me show you how it looks inside here. Bear with me. So basically all it is inside is just graph paper and 100 pages of that. So it's definitely no content book, graph paper notebook. Okay, so I'm gonna briefly go over how people been doing this. And look, they created about 4 years ago in 2018, but still selling to today, and they still make money. Look at this, August 6, 2018. Look at that. And they were able to just, there's nothing in there really, but is blank pages. There's another one right here, math notebook, and it looks like it's a nicer, not nicer, but in like a more colorful graph notebook in a sense for kids. And you can do it. You can create the look at this graph paper notebook, and this is a bestseller. But still, these are graph notebook that you can get started. So I'm just giving you some ideas of how it looks like. And then you can create, so this is more like no content book, okay? And you can do, if you want to focus on more on just blank pages, composition book is fine composition notebook. And as you can see, there's a lot of different ones. And look at these right here. See, some of these, they just keep it like $5.98, things like that. It's really cheap, but they some of these sales like crazy just to have this many. Look at this one, for sale, and all they do is just create a cover, and inside just blank pages. There's nothing much to it. Another way you can do is some people doing math worksheets, workbook. Let me type in so you have an idea. Math workbook for kids. Okay. So as you can see here, now this one is a little bit more not no content, but it could be medium content. But there are software out there that will help you to create these math notebook. And some of these, they only have very minimal content, and there are software that helps you to create these as well. I'm gonna take a look at the bestseller and see what they have to say. See in here. Look inside. Okay, there you go. So 100 pages of addition and subtractions. Now, yeah, I want to show you later on how you can, whoa, look at that. They just have a few of these here. They're $7.95 and they have not, yeah, it's doable. You can create these in 100 pages of addition, subtraction, beginning beginners. Okay, let's look at another one. Preschool math. There you go. Look at these. That's so crazy. But those are sponsored, remember. And then you can do can do yeah. Let's just say that it takes you maybe like a day or two to create these math workbook, or it could be faster if you have a software. But I just want to take a peek inside what these have to offer, and definitely something is doable. Look, division, math, multiplications. There you go. So they have about just a wonder how many pages it has. Let's see. 120 pages from 2 to 12 years old. Okay, so besides the math workbook, you can do puzzle book. Puzzle. And a lot of people like puzzle books for kids, for adults, things like that. And there are software that helps you create a different kind of puzzles. Look at these puzzles right here, bestseller. Yeah, okay. Or you can go into creating planners. Planner and the like undated planners, or it could be some of these weekly, monthly planners. Let's see what it has to say. Oh, I don't have an option to see inside. But yeah, looks like this person just posted up here, July 27th, just like a month ago or something. Okay, 150 planners. Okay, that's doable. And planners monthly, July. Okay, look at that, bestsellers. And it's 24 months, large 2 years. Okay, look inside. Let's see. Let's take a look in here. Oh, okay, contact, calendar. Oh, okay. All it is just some calendars, and then nothing more than that. You just basically have calendars and just blank pages and calendar. Wow, and people are selling these on Amazon. And once you create it up here, so this is February 2022. So if they are um, have this many rating, they could have make those monies on the side passively. Okay, 2 years monthly planners. And let's see another options. It's gonna be for you. Let me see, printable. Could be prayer journals, could be password. Oh yeah, this one password book. I was looking into those because some of these is really interesting. They have a password notebook, and if you look inside of this one, this is really cool. It's not hard to make, but yet look, it's doable. All it does is that it has site, website, username, and password. That's all it does, and it has login tab. Okay, all right. That's really cool. It has tabs. Okay. All right. That's nice. Okay. And then it could be a logbook. It could be a lot of different things on here. That's low content. You don't have to write like extensively paragraphs and stuff. Some of these like logbooks and journals, you can, yeah, look at that, sponsors, logbook, work tasks, things like that, daily timesheet, even mileage. So the possibility is endless. It's just amazing to see how many of these are out there that you can create, and it's not difficult. Okay. Um, Let me just show you where you can get started. So let's take a look inside of Canva here. And if you go to Canva, they have a free option for you. You go to book covered. First thing first is there's two part to creating a book on Amazon self-publishing. The first part is you need to upload the book cover and the front and the back, and then the interior, and that's it. Okay, so you want to go on Canva and you want to type in book cover and it pops out different options for you. Let me see. And book covered. See, and then you can scroll down here and click on the free version if you want to stick with the free, or you can go with the pro. The pro will give you more option, and I think it's not that expensive per month if you're using it more extensively, but for now we're going to stick with the free option. So you can see some of these here, sometimes it says free but then it has paid. See that? So you can click on any of these that doesn't have the word pay, and you can modify it to create a notebook for you. Okay, I believe this one is free here. This one's not. We can go down. Look at this one. This one is free. It doesn't have the pay button, and it looks so beautiful. You can, play around, adjust with that, and it's just like very nice. Notebook. Some people they just want a more bright notebook. Look at this one. This one is free. This one's paid. Yeah, so let's see if I can pick one that I like. How about this simple one? Where is it? Oh, yeah. How about, what do you think about this one? Or it could be this one. Oh, how about this one? Okay, let's pick this one. It's already pretty much done for you. Yeah, and you can put more interiors on here, book cover, and you can do composition notebook. Notebook. And you can move it around, okay, like that. What do you think? And you can put more template elements on here. If you want to put a shape in here, you can put on top, say composition notebook 8 by 11. What was it? 6.9. And you can adjust it. Maybe this is not a good idea. Delete that one. Maybe I want a rectangle. Okay, maybe I put some lines in here. Okay. Composition notebook. Let's see, rectangle. Okay. So you can do rectangle shapes, things like that. Move things around here. Sorry. And put a little things here. And you can put the size of it on here. Adjust it around and put the size of the notebook in here, etc. Okay. For now, do composition notebook, and then that's how it is for the front. And you can add a page, which is click on here, and you can add the back page of it. It could be something like this, and you can delete these if you want to, and you can delete these if you want to, and you can just say you can move it up a little, and then put some others, or you can put it down the bottom. Okay. And then you can say, this is for the back page, okay, notebook. And then you can, play around with it and see what you like. But after you're done, then you're gonna go to share, you're gonna go to download, and then when you go to download, it's gonna say press this button here, and it's gonna save into your computer, and you can upload onto Amazon here, and then you're gonna use the interior. You can also do the interior with Canva as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do that here. So let's see here, interior of the book. Interior. Or how about book interior? Okay. And then hopefully you find, how about line? There you go. So see this? That's a lot of different options for you here. So if you want to pick with the, look at this. And then you can stick with some of these here. Yeah, daily journal or look, this is free. So you can definitely, play around, adjust things around. You pick some of these, and I'm just so amazed with how many free options that it has here. And all you need to do is upload onto Amazon and start earning money. And I believe that they start with the low content, it's about 60% royalty, but still, after that's still some money after subtracting the cost, the expense of printing and shipping, then you split the commission, the profit with Amazon, and you get 60% for low to no content with Amazon. But if you have a medium content, then you can split 70%, getting 70%, and Amazon get 30% of the profit, and which is a great way, for somebody to get started with no money down. Not, you don't have to learn anything more difficult. You don't have to create a blog or create a website, create something. I think it's really easy to start comparing to other side hustle that takes a lot more commitment to earn your first dollar. And versus YouTube, you still need to have subscriber, any hours, watch time, and all that stuff. Versus other ways to make money, I think this is a really easy way to make money. And in a every day, let's just say every other day, you make a book or two and you just upload it. It's definitely worth a try to earn money. And the longer you had it on Amazon, the more chances of your book being ordered, etc. So I hope you have a chance to try it out to see how it goes. And remember, you want to upload about 30. Some people don't see any result until they get to 30 to 50 bucks, sometimes even 100 bucks. But I've heard people get some, good result with between 50 and above, 40, 50, and they can get some money coming in. So don't give up. Some people have 500 to 1,000 of these low content books. So you never know. Just your goal is to get to 100 right now, and you can see the money coming in. Especially we're at the last quarter of the year, it's quarter 4, so people are shopping, looking for ways to purchase things for other people or for their business, etc. So hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think, and you have tried it out, and what your experiences are with low content. I would love to hear from you. And if you have any other suggestions of any other side hustle, I really appreciate you can share with the community with what you learned from from this YouTube channel. If it helps you in any way, shape, or form, really appreciate it. See you in the next video.